everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this main concept unit. And this one is brought to you by divatress.com. So if you're interested in this unit, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this unit from Main Concept, and this one is brought to you by divatress.com. So if you're interested in this unit and where you can purchase this on divatress.com, please be sure to wait at the end of this video so that you can get more information about that. Now today we're going to speak about Main Concept, and this unit is a part of their HD Curly Obsessed collection. I do love this unit in terms of the length of it and the curls on it. It is just perfect, and I do love that the curls are quite coily as well. So before I get into my thoughts, let me get into the specs. So this unit is the RCHC201, and this one is called the 4B Kinky Curls. So this curl is considered a 4B according to Main Concept. I do love the style of this unit, and it does come with this right side part here. I did add my lace tint to it so it looks a little bit more natural, and I do love the curls. The curls on it is on point. This wig has four combs, 3 at the front, 1 at the back with adjustable straps, and the cap size is quite comfortable, so you won't have to worry about it being too snug on your head. And of course, for those who have smaller size heads, you can adjust the band in order to make it a little bit more fitted to your liking. Now this unit does come with baby hairs. It's more on the kinky side, so I just left it in this unit here. You can't really see it because it's a little bit, but in terms of this unit, I will not be using it, but I do love how this wig looks. The curls on it is so beautiful. I love how this looks. It just looks amazing overall, and I do love that about this unit. It does give off that nice summer look, and it's not super long, and the curls, again, defined, beautiful, on point. I have the color 1 in this unit, so it gives off that natural look. It does come in a variety of different colors as well, and the parting space is quite deep as well. It's a 4-inch deep part, so you do have a lot of parting space. I do like that curved parting space that they do have there. It does give off a very nice look. This is what the stock card looks like here. The model has on the burgundy and the blonde ombre version of this, and it does look quite nice on her also. So if you're looking for a color like that, that is definitely available as well. On divatress.com, you can definitely check out the colors that they do have. So let me go ahead and let you all know what colors that they do have available. So they do have a color 1 and a 1B. They don't have the burgundy black mix, so unfortunately that's the only color that is out of stock on divatress.com, but all the other colors are there and available for you to purchase. Now in terms of the price change, there isn't any price change. The price stays the same across the board. So if you are looking for a color, don't be scared to splurge on the color. It's definitely not an extra fee, so you're good to go on that. I love this wig. This wig is actually pretty nice. Is the color, the style, everything. I do like this wig a lot, and it's very comfortable as well, which is a major plus, especially for those warmer weather type of thing. You don't want anything super, long on your neck or uncomfortable on your head. So this is definitely a 10 out of 10 curly unit. So thank you so much, divatress.com, for allowing me to review this unit. And also, if you are interested in purchasing this, don't forget that it is $79. Over $79, you can get free shipping within continental US, and also you can get your first 10% off once you use your email, so that you can get that 10% off your first purchase. But other than that, I do love this wig. Thank you so much, Divatress, again, for allowing me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. And also, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below, and let me know what you think about this wig. Are you going to purchase it? Is it your style? Do you like how the way this looks? I love it. It looks great. So let me know down below, and I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.